use your Airpods with your PS4. And this is not clickbait. I'm not clickbaiting on anything. Um, you're gonna need three things. First, you're gonna need a computer, or a laptop, anything that can use PS4 remote play. You can even do it with your phone. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm doing it on the laptop on my Mac. Yeah. So and you will be needing two accounts. One account that you'll be playing with on PS4, and another account, another temporary account. You need to make a new account. So yeah, start with this off. Make sure you download PS4 Remote Play. I'll leave the link in the description to download it. All right, once you open it, go to Open Preferences and then sign in. So already signed in. Make sure to sign in with the secondary account, that the one you're not gonna be playing with, and don't sign in with the one that you're going to be playing with. And for the sake of this, for the sake of audio quality, make sure to put the lowest resolution, the lowest frame and standard frame rate on the on the on this app, and then make sure to connect to your PS4. I already connected it. If you need help, put a comment down in the description if you can't connect. So yeah, and then now just pair your AirPods with your computer or Mac, which I'll be doing now. Alright, they're paired. Now I can hear and I can hear my PS4 through my Mac, and then just play. It's that easy. Just just leave your laptop on to the side and just play. You can hear your game audio through your AirPods. So if this helped, please like and subscribe. Yeah,